Freedom or Captivity? What is Best for Marine Life? By Savannah Jacobs. About me. I was born and raised right here in Tucson, Arizona. I transferred to Cienega from Marana High School beginning of my sophomore year and have attended Cienega ever since. I currently work at Denny's where I'm saving to go to college. I'm passionate about marine life, especially sea otters. I chose to do my SCP on this career because I knew that education would be good, since I want to pursue this as my career and make a difference in the career field. Going into SCP, I was intimidated and excited to know what was going to happen. I didn't know what I was getting myself into. However, being able to have this experience was genuinely life-changing. Not only was I educated on a topic I thought I knew a lot on, I got to educate these around me and on a serious topic that should be talked about more. This experience has showed me that this career path really is the one I want to pursue, and that if I put my mind to it, I can make a difference as a marine biologist. About my SCP topic. For my SCP, I decided to follow the career I loved, marine biology. Through being educated about this topic, I learned that many people have two different stances on this subject. Either they're pro-captivity or against it. This is caused by many negative and positive attributes. As you can see right here, I separated for anti-captivity and pro-captivity. For anti-captivity, many types of pollution affect our oceans, no matter if it's in our air, land, or oceans. It all affects our marine life. Tanks lack stimulation you would be able to find in their natural environment, such as seaweed or being able to hunt. Keeping wild animals in aquarium tanks can cause them to become frustrated and be aggressive towards others. For pro-captivity, aquarium tanks are filtered and monitored 24 hours for the animal's safety. Places like SeaWorld or even smaller organizations like Sea Life that you can find right here in Arizona help breed marine life that are endangered. Being able to monitor their animals helps marine biologists understand how they can help them in the future. Where do I stand? When I started this project, I knew what stance I took on it, and that is that all wildlife should be living in their natural habitat. Yeah, we should be able to help if need be, because not all species are going to be able to strive on their own. But is keeping them in tanks what many are supposed to swim around for miles a day the answer? In my opinion, no, it is not. Animals should be able to swim freely in the ocean without worry of being captured or ripped away from their loved ones for entertainment purposes. These animals are more intelligent to what many believe, and doing these horrible actions can cause them severe trauma. Not only can they be traumatized, but as I referred to in a previous slide, being trapped in a tank for years on end can cause serious frustration, leading to aggression towards each other, or even in some circumstances, people. You can see right here that this is a picture of an orca that was at SeaWorld. This was not for breeding purposes, this is for entertainment purposes. And you can see the scrape marks that have been caused by rubbing on the tank or even each other. My second photo shows an example of entertainment purposes. This is because you can see right here, outlined by yellow, this is the size of the parking lot from SeaWorld. In the red, this is a fake lake, even sometimes used for entertainment purposes. And in the blue is orca tanks. You can see the size difference. Their obvious, most important is having people be at SeaWorld because their parking lot is so big compared to the orca tanks, when orcas are supposed to swim thousands of miles daily. Pathway. Many believe marine biologists only work with animals, however that is simply not true. Marine biologists research life in the oceans and other saltwater environments. They analyze data and observe, rehabilitate injured marine animals, conduct experiments, and document the behavior, origins, genetics, and diseases of marine life.